What time is it?
It's science time!
It's the moment of inertia you've been waiting for. Take your yardstick and you're going to split it in half. You're going to find the center of the yardstick. A yard is 36 inches, so if we divide a yard in half, we get to 18 inches. So we're going to take and mark the 18-inch increment right there, so we know that's our center. Now, to build our wand, we have to space our juice boxes away from the center evenly. So for this one, I'm going to go, let's say 5 inches from the center. So 18 plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, gets me to 23 inches. And then I have to go 5 inches in the other direction, which is 18 minus 5, or 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once we have those marked, you're gonna take your juice boxes. Now, your juice boxes may look different than my juice boxes. That's okay. We're gonna place them right on the mark, and we're going to tape them down. Put this on here. Whoops. Get that on there nice and snug. Gonna get this one on here. Get that on there nice and snug. And now we have our wand. Wait a minute. Yeah, I wonder how strong I can get lifting these 12 ounces of juice. Anyway, all right, here we go. I'm gonna back up. I'm gonna hold this out, straight out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist my hand left and right, left and right. And I wanna see and feel how easy that is. And remember, our juice boxes are 5 inches from the center. And let's see how many times we can get it in 10 seconds. Here we go. Are we ready? In 3, 2, 1. All right, if I counted correctly, I was at 32 twists of the arm. And actually, I could feel it. It wasn't too difficult. But what you just experienced after you build this, it's the moment of inertia on that rotational axis. It's the moment when you put force into this and you can feel it turn. You can feel it turn, all right? So what we're gonna do now is we're actually going to take the juice boxes and move them further away from the center to see if that impacts how this wand allows you to rotate it. So we're just gonna flip this over. We're going to untape this, and hopefully we can just reuse that tape. All right, so now what we're going to do, I wonder, how far should we go from the center? Let's go 13 inches from the center. So 18 minus 13 is 5, and we can double check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then 18 plus 5 is 31. Oops, 18 plus 13 is 31. Yeah, sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Getting all my numbers mixed up. So I have those two numbers on there and I have them marked. We're gonna take our juice box, lay it down. Hold that there. Lift that up, tape that underneath. We're gonna do the same for the other side. Put that down, lift it up. All right, so already feels different. I think I had, did I say 32 last time? I think it was 32. So now we're going to do the same thing. The juice boxes are on there nice and snug. I'm going to hold this up and I'm going to twist it the same. I'm gonna see how many times I can twist it back and forth in about 10 seconds. And here we go. In 3, 2, 1. All right, that was about 10 seconds. I got to 20.
20.
That is literally experiencing the moment of inertia. The moment of inertia! The moment of inertia occurs when you start turning the yardstick. Once you apply a rotational force, the juice boxes begin to move. The closer the juice boxes are to the center of the yardstick, the easier it is to start rotating that stick. When the juice boxes are moved further away, it requires a greater force to get the mass moving, and it's also more difficult to change directions. Thanks for being part of our crew today and checking out this short clip from DIY Science Time. If you like this clip and you want to see more exciting science, check out the full versions right here on the channel. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting DIY Science Time.